Welcome to Amish Math School. If someone offer you the 40% discount and number 2 buy 5 and get 3 free, which option is beneficial for you? That is option 1 or option 2. For this you need to know what is the percent of discount in case of option 2. So this is the main discussion point of this video. That is, if someone buy 4 and get 1 free, then what is the percentage of discount? What will be the result? 25% or 20%? The formula is the free divided by buy plus free times 100%. That is, here we get 1 free and we buy 4. So the value of free is 1 and value of buy is 4. So 1 divided by 4 plus 1 times 100%, which is equal to 20%. So if someone buy 4 and get 1 free, then the percentage of discount will be 20%. Now, in case of this option 2, if we apply the previous formula, then we can get the percent of discount is 37.5%. Now we can easily choose option 1 or option 2. That is, option 1 is 40% discount and option 2 is 37.5% discount. So between option 1 and option 2, you should choose option 1 because option 1 is greater than option 2. That is, the percent of discount is greater here. Let's start our today's discussion. That is, if someone buy 4 and get 1 free, then what is the percentage of discount? We find the percentage using the formula earlier, and the details about formula we will discuss on the later part of this video. So let's see the verification of this formula, that is how we get this 20%. If we take the cost of 4 is 400, so cost of each item is 100. We buy 4 and the cost is 400. Now if 1 is free with 4, in that case the cost of 5 is 400. So cost of each item is 80. So 100 minus 80, which is 20. So this 20 is our discount, that is 20% discount. Since the cost price is here 100, so this value will be the percent of discount. So in this method we can easily find that the percentage of discount in case of buy and get some free. And the later part of this video we will discuss about this formula, that is how we can easily find using this method the percent of discount in case of buy some and get some free. So in this video we are going to learn about the discount formula. So which type of discount formula? That is, buy something and get something free and then calculate the percent of discount, or buy X and get Y free, calculate the discount. This type of discount formula. The shortcut formula comes from this formula, that is, if cost price of X things is equal to the selling price of Y things, then the percent of profit or loss is X minus Y or Y minus X, that is X difference Y divided by Y times 100%. Using this formula we can easily find the percent of discount. So our main discussion point is buy X get Y free. In that case, the cost price of X things is equal to the selling price of X plus Y things. That is, buy X get Y free. The cost price of X is equal to the selling price of X plus Y things. Then the percentage of discount is X minus X plus Y. In this formula, that is, the cost price of X things is equal to selling price of Y things. In this case the X is here X, and in case of Y is here X plus Y. So X minus X plus Y divided by X plus Y, that is, here the value of Y is X plus Y times 100%. So this value will be minus Y divided by X plus Y times 100%. That is, we can write here Y divided by X plus Y times 100%. Since this one is discount, the value will be negative. If we avoid the negative value, then we get the formula, that is Y divided by X plus Y times 100%. If you want to know the details about this formula, then you can see the profit and loss video of Amish Math School, where we discuss in details about this formula. Using this formula, that is buy X and get Y free, that is, the cost price of X thing is equal to the selling price of X plus Y thing. then the percentage of discount will be y divided by x plus y times 100%. If we use this formula in this case, that is if someone buy 4 and get 2 free, then find the percentage of discount. Very easy. That is y divided by x plus y times 100%. Here the value of y is 2 and value of x is 4. So 2 divided by 4 plus 2 times 100%, that is 1 by 3 times 100%, that is 33, and 1 by 3 parts. In this way we can easily find this type of many problems. So let's see another problem. If someone buy 3 and get 1 free, then find the percentage of discount. That is y divided by x plus y times 100%, which is equal to 1 divided by 3 plus 1. In this case the value of y is 1 and the value of x is 3. 1 divided by 3 plus 1 times 100%, which is 1 by 4 times 100, that is 25%. Now, if someone buy 4 and get 1 free, then what is the percentage of discount? We can find it using the formula. Now, if we want to find it in another way, that is using the normal traditional method, but that method should be easier. That is, let the cost of each item is 100. So, the total cost is 4 times 100, that is 400. Cost of each item will be 100. That is, if we take this item is 100, then the total result will be directly in percentage. So total cost of 4, that is 4 times 100, that is 400. Now cost of each after discount, that is 400 divided by 4 plus 1. We get 1 free. So total item is 4 plus 1, 5. That is 400 divided by 5. We get here 80. So the difference between this step 1 and 3, that is 100 and this 80, will be the required result. That is 100 minus 80, that is 20. So our result will be 20% discount. So in this way we can easily find this type of many problem without using the formula, that is using the traditional method. First take the cost of each item 100, then find the cost of this buying product, then find the cost after discount, that is the total cost divided by buy plus free, then the difference between this 1 and this 3 will be the required result, that is 100 minus 80%, that is 20%.